Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the frame closely so you know what you'll fix and why. Stainless behaves differently versus plated metals. Once done, gather a jeweler's screwdriver, needle nose pliers, a magnifier, micro screws, and a small tray. Make sure to work over a cloth to catch parts. This prevents losing tiny screws. Begin with the temple hinges. Gently open and locate the screw head, and turn it a quarter to see if it moves freely. This first check tells you whether tightening or full screw replacement is needed. You now remove the problematic screw carefully, holding the frame steady between thumb and forefinger. The magnifier helps. If the head is stripped, try a slightly larger screwdriver or use a tiny rubber patch for grip, then extract. Once removed, insert a matching micro screw and tighten just until snug. Over-tightening can strip threads or warp arms. If threads are damaged, you can use a drop of clear adhesive in the hole. Let it cure. Then insert a replacement screw. Finally, test hinge tension and tweak alignment with pliers. You finish by correcting bends and aligning nose pads so the glasses sit evenly on your face. For plated frames, warm the metal slightly with your hands or a hairdryer on low. Keep heat away from lenses. Then make small, incremental bends with pliers. This reduces risk of cracking. Once aligned, recheck screws and hinge play and tighten as needed. If a frame cracks, plating flakes, or screws continue to strip, stop. A professional repair or replacement parts prevent further damage, and that is the safest troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.